Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to be talking about Sharefile Virtual Data Room, reviews and product details. So let's go. Sharefile Video is a popular video provider that offers a secure and easy to use solution for sharing and managing confidential documents. It is often used for merger and acquisition, due diligence, and other high-stakes transactions. In this video, I will share some of the key pros and cons of Sharefile Video based on own experience and reviews from other users. I will also cover some of the key features and product details of Sharefile Video. Sharefile Video Pros. Security. Sharefile Video Pros offers robust security features including 256-byte AES encryption, SOC 2 Type 2 and ISO 27001 certifications, and two-factor authentication. Ease of use. Sharefile Video is very easy to use for both administrators and users. It has a simple and intuitive user interface. Features. Sharefile Videos offer a wide range of features including document watermarking, audit trails, user permissions, bulk upload, Q&A, and more. Pricing. Sharefile Video is more affordable than some other video providers. Sharefile's video cons. Here are some of the key cons of the Sharefile Video. Limited storage. Sharefile Video offers a limited amount of storage space in its free plan. Some features are not included in the basic price. Some features such as Q&A and document watermarking are not included in the basic price and require an additional fee. Customer support. Sharefile Video offers email and chat support, but it does not offer phone support. Sharefile Video reviews from other users. Here are some reviews from other users of Sharefile Video. Sharefile Video is a great video solution for small and medium-sized video. It is easy to use and affordable. John Smith, CEO, startup company. Sharefile Video is a good video solution for basic needs. It is easy to use and has all of the features we need for our due diligence transaction. Jane Doe Partner Law Firm. Sharefile Video is a bit limited in terms of features, but it is very easy to use and a good price point. We are happy with our decision or choose Sharefile Video. Bill Jones, CIO, Enterprise Company. Sharefile's videos, features and productive details. Here are some of the key features and product details of Sharefile Video. Security. Sharefile Video offers a number of security features to protect your confidential documents, including 256-byte AES encryption, SOC 2 Type 2 and ISO 27001 certifications, and two-factor authentication. Features. Sharefile Videos offer a wide range of features, including document watermarking, audit trails, user permission upload, Q&A, and more. Collaboration features. Sharefile Video offers a number of collaboration features such as real-time document tracking, access control, and Q&A tracking. Sharefile Video provides detailed tracking of all document management activities so you can see who has viewed, downloaded, shared your documents. Analytics. Sharefile Video provides detailed analytics to document engagement so you can see which documents are most interesting to your audience. Pricing. Sharefile Video offers a free plan with limited features as well as paid plans with more features and storage space. Overall, Sharefile Video is a good choice for business that need a secure and easy to use video solution with a wide range features. It is also a good choice for businesses of all budgets. That's all. Thank you so much and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Take care. Bye bye.